In this video, let's get to know the complete process of migrating your Slack private chats to Teams. Ensure a seamless private chat transition with complete data integrity and user authentication. This process enhances communication, maintains historical context, and fosters team collaboration. Begin the migration process by navigating to the Migration tab on AVAMIGRATRON menu bar and select ConversationalMigration. Entering the user verification page, click on the Get Users List button to retrieve a detailed list of all user channels along with their respective emails. You can select specific usernames and edit as needed. Next, upload the Teams user list document and click on Send Verification Link to verify the users present in the private channels, DMs, or MMs. Now, a verification link will be sent to all specified users through mail. Upon receiving the email, users can click on the verification link, which will redirect them to the Teams user verification page. By entering their Teams credentials, AVAMIGRATRON will seamlessly connect to Teams. Once users are verified, proceed to create MS Teams chats using the provided template. Fill out the chat template with email addresses from the verified users list and import the file for successful chat creation. Next, let's map the chats. Download the mapping template and fill in the required details such as chat ID and chat name. You can also fetch already existing details by clicking on Download Slack Chats or Teams Chats. Once completed, upload the mapping template and click on the Submit button. Then, select the chats that are to be mapped and click on Create Mapping to finalize the mapping process. If necessary, you can also delete any created mappings before initiating the migration process. Once chats are mapped, proceed with ContentMigration. Select the inventory to be migrated and then either schedule it for later or start the migration process immediately. Click Refresh to monitor the current migration process and view the updated status. Here, you can see the migrated chat from Slack to Teams. And there you go. With AVAMIGRATRON, migrating your private chats is now made simpler than ever. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.